State-owned PEML Limited has secured an additional $5.35 million export order from West Asia for the supply of heavy earth-moving equipment. The latest order comes on the back of an earlier export contract worth $36.38 million, which the company had announced in April 2026. PEML said the machines originally developed for large-scale mining have now been adapted for infrastructure and strategic construction projects. The equipment is designed to operate in demanding conditions while meeting international quality and safety standards. The company added that the machines feature ROPS, FOPS certified operator cabins to improve safety, comfort, and productivity. As part of the agreement, PEML will also provide maintenance and lifecycle support through its local representative in the region.